What's good? What's up, guys? Let me move from that spot. So I am about to go to the gym. I've been wearing this jacket forever. Like I was wearing this jacket in my last video. And then I have these sweatpants on. I've been rocking these sweatpants like for a good minute too, but yeah, don't mind my hair. I'm cutting my hair out. Like, if you noticed my hair in my last video, you would know. Oh, and look, I'm falling apart, y'all. My nails need to be like taken off. So I'm taking my hair out. I'm gonna get my nails taken off. So yeah, I'm just falling apart right now, and it's just, we are going to the gym. I'm looking like this. I don't care, like I will go to the gym, but I bought these snacks from my gym. This one is a it's popcorn. It's birthday cake. I've already tried them, and this is the protein one. So they're both good, honestly. Well, this chip one is okay. This one is in chili lime. This one's good. It's like a healthy taste to it, I guess I would say.
Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
It's cool, man. Got red bottoms on. Life is good. You know what I mean? Like,
100,000 for the cheapest ring on a nigga finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the ring, call it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh,
This is 1 week after me getting my nails done. Actually, Saturday. Yeah, actually 1 week to Saturday.